Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of The Dentist's Sister Always Want to Tease Me. Chapter 4. So, here it is. Let's read the story. Kai-an, after helping Ran sing, the two of them finally went out to go home. Now, they went out together. On the back of them, it looked like they're going on the date. But now, it really makes sense. Kai-an, she seems to be shy. It's been 2 years and my senior still remembers the lessons. So right now, she was reminiscing the fuss, together with Ransing. Right now, Ransing, she kept herself in silence. I performed so badly in that class, that must have left a bad impressions on my sister. Now, she looks really worried, but now, when they go out, it turns out they went out to the old classroom. What are they going to do? Here, here it is, Kai-an said to her. Well, are they going to have a class? Oh, my junior schoolmate brought me here to let my senior schoolmate. Francine, is she going to tease her again? Look at her. She was starting to tease her again. Now, she was looking at Kai-an and said she need to check her homework. So it turns out she's going to teach her one by one lessons for today. Well, what a good hands-on she is. And now, it was Kai-an. She was waving her hands and said to her, I'm not. Well, she was really blushing, although she really don't want. It seems that she has no idea. Ransing said, I really miss it. This is the classroom where I took my undergraduate courses. So it seems that she also reminiscing the past on what happened, what all good days they are. It's also sister classroom we have used for that class. Now, Ransing, she was opening. Well, definitely, remembering the past is not bad, especially she was with her. Now, it was Ransing. Is she going to pin her down? It seems like it was a Kabidon, right? Now, it was Kai-an who was staring at hers, but Ransing, she was smiling like a mischievous. She is moving closer to hers, and Kai-an's heartbeat was really getting louder and louder. She was blushing, and also, she really can't speak any words. Suddenly, it was a froth. Now, it makes sense. The topic suddenly changes. So it turns out Ransing, she was really good at teasing. Now, she even thinks that she can teach her something. Back to the gut. Here. Well, definitely, she really wants to teach her. Now, it really makes sense to her. Ransing, she is really getting tricky. For Kai-an, she was looking at hers. Do you still remember the content of the after quiz that I left before? Send a photo of the river teeth to my mailbox, but now, do it directly and show me. Kai-an said, alright, the present I have been very good at the basic repair of the teeth, and I decided that the chain will not be lost again. So it turns out she really practiced before. Let's see on what will happen since the teeth it was going to waste right now with the feeling. Remove the spoiled dentin first. So it turns out it was not a teaching. Well, Kai-an, she's been serious about these matters. And it was Francine, she was really serious also, watching her from time to time. Turns out, from back then, really improved. And also, Francine, right now, clean up. It's very clean and not too slow. Oh, after hearing this, of course, she was blushing. Well, definitely, she is right now, but since it was 2 years past then, she really mastered it right now. The repair of the tooth. More here, grind it. Look at her, she seems to be contented. The reconciliation speed is still a bit slow, but for reluctantly fast. So it turns out Ransing said it was an adequate finish. Well, it was good. After finishing right now, Kai-an, finally she can take a breath. Well, looking at the model, seems to be fine, and also, she was like sweating. But now, sister, I'm done. Ransing said to her. Now she was patting her head. Well, she really sipped a good phrase at this moment. And it was really happy and good. She just meant it. To what extent does this tooth belong to the dental caries? Medium caries badly develop into the superficial stentin. There can be irritating. It turns out, after feeling it, during the dental fillings, the patient's lips are swollen. What is the situation? And the second, the patients may be allergic to anesthesia. So, it really went well. Now, Ransing said, anything else? Ransing, it seems that she was really good at coaxing people. She seems that she was really happy. Third, the bacterial infections during the tooth fillings. First, it was a trauma during the recovery period, which can also lead by the swollen lips. Kai-an said to Ransing. Now, after saying this, suddenly she bit her lips. And it really makes sense. Ransing, she noticed it and said to her, where did you bite? Let the senior see that and take a look. Ransing, she's going to see it. Of course, right now, it was really feels awkward. Now, Kai-an, she was really blushing, and Ransing, she is really moving closer to her. Kai-an, she seems to be shy. Let's see on what will happen next episode. Well, it turns out she really got tricked. Sister, Kai-an said to Ransing. Of course, she really wanted to trick her. She seems to be happy. I will seriously consider it. The relationship of the two of them is really getting better. So, Ransing, she's really getting fond on hers. Let's see on what will happen next week. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining my membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!